kaunon. Ang nauuhaw, painumon. Pero pag nag-ay pakiputos, ay manay, hiluhon. Joke lang po, my dear friends. In my 28 years of existence in this world, I have been a strong believer that being a member of the LGBTIQ+ community is never to diminish our humanity. Because the really only purpose of our living is to love and be loved, to contribute and be prosperous. Celebrating another year of melting beauty and diversity, advance happy fiesta, people of Barangay Biton. The lady standing before you is a melting pot of beauty and charm, intelligence and good heart, having one of the most difficult to find kind of alloy called guts. I am here, standing in front of everybody, proud, honored, and dignified to represent from the home of Padaraw Festival, the one that gives light to the darkness of the night, Municipalidad Canpulan, Probinsya, Sorsogon, Mangrangon, Magayon, Yancino Jr. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me, ma'am and sir, to portray the beauty and the image of the one and only it girl of GMA Kapuso. But di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang mata ng Encantadia, Solen Yusa. Solen, you can definitely turn off the lights, but still, I am going to shine. At bago kapulisan ng napakagandang entablado nito, nais ko lamang po ulit mag-iwan ng isa pang good vibes na kwento para sa lahat. Nakahapon po for parade, nung dumating kami sa Barangay Biton, may mga grupo ng kalalakihan ang lumapit at nagtanong sa amin na bakit daw po kami mga bakla ay patuloy na dumarami, gayong di naman kami nanganganak. Ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po akong sagutin ang katanungang bumabagabag sa inyong mga isipan. Dahil ang mga kalalakihan sa tuwing kayo po ay namamakla, tiyak, at paniguradong may itlog na mapipisa. Kaya pasintabi na lamang po sa mga kalalakihang hindi naman kagwapuhan, huwag na po kayong mamamakla. Dahil sa tuwing kayo ay namamakla, tiyak, at paniguradong pangit na bakla mapipisa. Joke lamang po, enjoy the rest of the show, and always remember, I love you all. Palagi niyo pong tatandaan na kaming Rainbow Community ay parte na ng lipunan. Ilang beses naman po kaming saktan at apak-apakan. Ngunit ngayong gabi, kami naman po ay inyong papalakpakan at pagpupuyatan. Standing in front of you is a trans woman, never been kissed, never been touched. This is Lorraine Belmas, and I'm representing the municipality where the Christmas in Luzon was celebrated, celebrating the Magallanes Festival. This is Lorraine Belmas representing Barangay Siguton, Magallanes
Sorsogon. And I believe in saying that we, people, should follow our dreams. Kaya sa lalaki na naka-green, I won't follow you because you are my dream. People of Barangay Titon, this is my message to all of you. Padaba, kubog ka mo. Happy Fiesta.
Wala tayong magagawa, mahal mo na. Baka Tonight, celebrating beauty and diversity. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? At wala rin po bang pwedeng jowain dyan? Joke lang po. Standing here in front of you is a fresh, virgin, no pills, no injection. By the way, this is Ivana Lorenzo, 17 years old. From the home of Panay Festival, Municipality of Irusin, Province of Sorsogon. At mag-iwan ako ng isang katagang, aanin ko man ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Baka naman. Thank you so much and advance happy fiesta.
It's
Hindi man hiyawan, masusulugan yung bahay.
Oh! Huwag naman.
Kung ang perlas ng silangan ay makikita sa karagatang west, ang perlas ng kagandahan ay makikita lang sa inyong harapan. What a glamorous spectacular evening to each and everyone. A girl standing in front of you is a fresh 18-year-old stunner na nagsasabi, di ba rin makita ang legs? Wag lang ang eggs. And I thank you. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Riton.
Pati microphone na damay. Okay lang. Kaya mas okay, mas langkaw.
Sa layo-layo ng aking ginahe, yung may amoy tae. Joke lamang po. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is 16 years old stunner. 17. 18. Basta di malagpas sa kalendaryo. I am Asian Ray na nagsasabi, maunsabi.
Traveling for almost 2.5 hours just to be here, to see the beautiful people and the beautiful barangay of Biton, Magallanes. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? At wala po bang pag-ain dyan? Joke lang ako. As standing in front of your naked eye as a fresh
22 years colored, hailing all the way from one of the most beautiful and having self-reliant community. I am very much proud, honored, and dignified to represent my very own municipality, Municipality of Erosin. My name is Barbie Forte, and I always believe in saying that in life that's full of choices, always choose yourself. Once again, this is your lovely candidate number 8. Enjoy the rest of the night and advance happy fiesta, mga kaibigan. I love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, next on 2025 candidates. It's time to turn up the energy and give a roaring welcome to someone who is no stranger to the spotlight. She's fierce, she's fabulous, and she's flawlessly unapologetic. A true queen of wit, charm, and stage presence. She's the voice of love and the heart of this celebration. Tonight's event will sparkle even brighter because she's here to guide us through every storm, every twirl, and every moment of brilliance.